going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 6th of September. Taking a look this morning at XRP. We'll take a look at Bitcoin. Guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to another down market. How you doing? So, start this video off, guys. Taking a look here. XRP down 1.09% this morning. A couple things to talk about. Nothing too crazy. Try to keep this video pretty short, just to drop an update here. But like I said, there's really not too much going on in these markets. So let's take a look at what's going on here. We obviously have a failed breakout. What's new for XRP? This pennant pattern here broke out to the upside and has failed. And once again, we are heading lower, or at least the resistance right now at 50624 looks like it's going to hold, and the price seems like it's heading down to some lower targets, some new lower targets anyways, that we'll discuss here. XRP currently in a little bit of a rising channel right here, which usually will break to the downside. So we'll talk about that. We have two new lower price targets, 48,108 as well as 45,334. So that would be this orange line on the chart right here. That would be 48,108 as well as 45,343 right here. So if we undercut this low right here on the 1st of September, very good chance we're going down to 48,108, perhaps 47,715. That's this cluster right here. If those do not hold, 45,334, 44,502 right there. So we could be in the beginnings of something like this, another lower high as well as a lower low. So if we get down, so that's 4 targets right there below the market, potential support areas. If we hit all 4 of those, that still doesn't undercut this major low here on the 17th of August. So that's a good thing. So we're still keeping our eye on that. That low looks like it was, looks like we hit a low there of 43, if I'm correct. So that could be in play right now, guys. We could be in the early stages of playing out this rising channel here, this rising wedge playing out to the downside, and then potentially down to these targets here. So we'll have to see. But right now we have some pretty solid resistance at 50624. That's this level right here. And this market has just been stair-stepping to the downside, unfortunately. So we have a lower high, basically a higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, into this pennant pattern here, lower high, breakout though, which was nice to see, lower low, lower high, and then potentially we're in here for another lower low. We'll have to see. You know, it could find support and start to break to the upside, but right now it doesn't look too hot. Taking a look over at Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin still barely hanging on, but hey, it is hanging on. We'll take it at the, let's see here. So we have a cluster of levels, 2623, 25,760, 25,726, all here, guys. And again, hold on one second here. Once again, if those levels don't hold, 24,145, we'll get that break to the downside, 21,070. So if those levels break, if Bitcoin breaks where it's at right now and we start to head down to 24,145, 72, 21,000, you're going to see a bloodbath in the markets, big time, especially XRP. Usually gets hit and whacked pretty hard. So ideally, these hold and we blast up. we had a little taste of that on the 29th of August, but of course, that failed. But Bitcoin looks like it wants to break lower right now, and below the market 24,145.72, 21,070. So keep your eye on those targets, guys. If we start to head lower, we're going to see a pretty good haircut for XRP, to say the least. So hopefully that doesn't happen and this market can get some support here and move to the upside. But hey, you guys might get a chance to accumulate some more XRP or Bitcoin, whatever the case is, at some lower prices, as these markets don't really look ready to blast to the upsides. But hey, hopefully we're caught by surprise and that does take place. So right now the major low, like I said, is on the 17th of August. It would be very nice for that to hold. If not, we're going to head back down to this lower support line, and that would be around 41 cents. So that's just a quick update here on XRP. We'll have to see what happens, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging around. If you were not yet joined, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it. All links always down in the video description. You guys have a good one. Take care.